Dan Willis here, and we're talking about Credit Financial Services. Now, first and foremost, this is a large third-party collection agency headquartered in Durham, North Carolina. They'll service and collect upon a variety of types of consumer debt spanning across all industries, including working with many small businesses. Now, this second point is what happens if you don't address this issue. You see, Credit Financial Services is not just going to disappear like a fart in the wind. In fact, first and foremost, they're going to report negative information about you on your credit report, which is going to damage and drag down your credit score. Moreover, if they're unable to collect payment from you, they have the right to turn around and sell your account to yet another collection agency who will then start calling you and sending you harassing letters. And eventually, whether it's with Credit Financial Services or with another collection agency, you will most often be sued in a civil court, as in they're going to file a civil lawsuit against you. The purpose of this is in hopes to get a judgment against you, and then that way, depending upon where you live, they may be able to have your wages garnished for repayment, they may be able to have liens placed against you and your properties, or even have your assets seized. So this last and final tip is the most powerful weapon that every consumer has at their disposal, and this should be done with any debt collection. What you're doing is requesting account validation. This is your right protected under the FDCPA, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, and what you need to do this in writing so you have evidence of your request. But what it does is it'll require Credit Financial Services to respond to your validation request if they're following the rules by providing you with the evidence in the documents that actually proves, yes, this is your account and they can legally collect payment. You'll also want to investigate the statute of limitations should they validate your debt. But if they're unable to validate your debt, which is not an uncommon occurrence, you're no longer legally responsible for repayment. Further, they're required, assuming they're following the laws, they're required to contact all three of the credit bureaus to have them remove that collection from your credit report, which is damaging your credit score. This is Dan Willis. We're going to include a link in the description below over to an article at our website for the full story on dealing with Credit Financial Services. We also have a free report available there, the 7 proven ways to boost your credit score. Please subscribe and join our congregation. Have a wonderful day and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.